longer news that the quickest and fastest way to get your 1,000 subscribers is through YouTube Shorts. And not just shorts, especially when you're doing a collab with a viral video, like those videos that actually have lots of views, millions of views, like you're not trying to collab, trying to react. In fact, I made a video about that. I know majority of my subscribers right now would have seen that particular video because it was one of the videos that actually performed well on my channel. But if you have not seen that video, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description for you guys to go ahead and, watch that video to be able to know how to do it for your channel. But then I was scrolling through YouTube, and what actually prompted me making this video, I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw a few number of people actually doing this collab the wrong way. And this wrong way can actually not only really, harm your views, it can also cause YouTube to stop promoting your channel, and also it can give you a reuse content strike. Yes, collab is a YouTube feature. It is allowed on YouTube, but if done correctly. Because I saw some people saying, then I reached out to some people asking them, because YouTube has not told them anything. I reached out to them personally. Because they put their email, some of them put their WhatsApp number, like a few of them that I can see. Because if you're subscribed to me and you are a follower of my channel, if you reach out to me saying one or two, if I check out your channel, most times I subscribe back to the channel. So I get to see your content recommended to my feeds, because I'm actually subscribed to a few of my subscribers that actually reach out to me. So that being said, I reached out to them, a few of them that I could reach out to, and I said that the way they actually did that collab is wrong. Collab, there is nothing wrong with collab. You can do collab, it's a YouTube feature, but you have to do it correctly. If not done correctly, then you can have a problem. I'm making this video for it, so for others that are actually in this kind of situation, because I know I cannot be reaching out to everybody one by one, but I hope they get to see this video. And if you have such kind of collab in your video, in your channel, please go ahead and take it down before YouTube takes it down for you. Okay, so what is wrong about collab? What can give you reuse content strike? This person actually said he's using, is a faceless channel actually. So because it's a faceless channel, then he does not want to he didn't want to show his face. He's a faceless channels faceless channel can do collab. But if you want to do collab, you don't have to make it entirely black. You can show other things. You can show, just make sure that it is not completely blank. Like this particular person is making it blank. Like what he's doing is, he's going to put his phone on the floor. So the screen, his own part there is going to be black. If, a lot of you might not understand what this collab means if you have not seen that video, that's why I'm going to be pinning it in the comment section for you guys. Sorry, for you guys to go ahead and watch it. So what's he actually when he's trying to collab, he's going to put his phone down, and his own entire part is going to be black. That can give you reuse content strike, because the algorithm is not picking anything, and assuming he's even adding his own voice, that would be okay. His own part is blank, but the algorithm can pick out his voice. But muting, your own part, you are muting and then you are putting it down. So what are you actually adding? YouTube actually have likes when you add value. So that's when you will not have problem, because you're not the only one collabing with that particular shot. So you just clicking collab, and then the next thing you're doing, you're putting your phone down. So it's only that particular video you're collabing with that is playing. Only that video. Only the sound from that original video that people can hear. People can't hear your voice, neither can they see you, neither can they see any other thing. And the way YouTube works is not a human being that is in charge, it's an AI. So the AI needs to pick out something unique, something different from the original content. But if it's blank, it will not be able to pick out anything. So even if you're doing faceless channel, make sure that you record something that the AI can pick. Don't make it entirely blank. Yes, so please, if you have been doing that, if you have an entirely blank collab, please take it down. Do it the right way. If you're not doing faceless, you can show your face. It's not compulsory you unmute. But if necessary, if you want to add commentary, it is even best when you unmute. It will even add more originality to it. But if you are not going to be unmuting, make sure that your face is clear and your reaction is clear. It is, it is visible. It is noticeable to bring out that change that YouTube wants, because YouTube do not like repetitive. That is when some of you will be doing collab and then you'll be getting repetitive content, because you're not really doing something on your own part. So, that being said, somebody also asked a question that what if I do, because some people were getting messages like, if you collab with somebody and then the original creator takes down that particular video, or YouTube takes down the original content, like it's not as if the main owner took it down. Maybe they violated something, or I don't know, maybe for one reason or another, YouTube took down their content. YouTube is going to as well take down your own video because you are collabing with that video. So one of the things, if you're looking out for, if you want to collab, make sure you're collabing with a video that you can tell that, oh, this particular video is actually following YouTube community guideline. There are some kind of videos that when you see them, some kind of shots that are not actually following, like you yourself can tell. Like when you see this particular shot, you can say, this particular shot, I feel like, because we all know YouTube terms and condition guidelines, they are online for everybody to see. Harmful content, if you feel like, oh, it's just like one shot I saw recently, the person was trying to jump from the top of a cliff. So like collabing with that kind of shot can actually give you harmful content because YouTube will feel like it is dangerous. You understand? So for you to be on the safe side, make sure you are collabing with a shot that is safe. And then back to the question, somebody asked me, the person was like, if YouTube take down that person's video and then YouTube takes down my own video, how does that affect my channel, and how does that affect my views? If I'm monetized, how does that affect me? If I'm not monetized, like the person just wants to have a clear knowledge about how this works. So if YouTube takes it down, number one, you will not lose your entire view. If you're not monetized, even if you're monetized, you will not lose your entire view. Like, for you to be able to get monetized on YouTube, you need at least 10 million short views, blah, blah, blah. So the views you have gotten, even though YouTube took it down, you will not lose your views. So your views are safe. But if you are monetized and YouTube took it down, you will lose your earnings. That's for those people that are monetized and they're trying to use Collab. So if YouTube takes that video down, or if they, like the original owner, if they take down that video, you will lose your earnings, but you will not lose your views. And it does not have any direct harm to your channel. Yes, it's not as if, because YouTube penalized them, then it has a direct harm to you. No, it does not have any direct harm to your channel. The only time you can have problem with collab is, like I said, like I explained earlier, when you are just showing blank, nothing, you cannot see anything, everything just blank. The algorithm cannot pick out any visual at all. Neither can it pick out any sound. Yeah, so I hope I've actually cleared this out for those of you that are doing it the wrong way. I said I should quickly do it before you guys, go too far. Yeah. Guys, to round it all up, very quick and fast, if you're looking to get your 1,000 subscribers super fast and you have not seen that video, check that video in the pinned comment. Go ahead, try it out and come back and share your testimony. And by the way, I remember in one of my videos I made, I think it was in this one. Yeah, I think so. Maybe the one pin, because I've made 2 videos about collab. So I'm actually not sure which one I mentioned, prosperity.x. Yeah, so prosperity.x at some point, was giving in subscribers. We were, yeah. So right now it's not only prosperity.x. Check out other videos. She's not the only person, check out other channels, other videos, but make sure that whoever you are collabing with, they have millions of views. Don't settle for thousands of views. Settle for millions of views. Yes. All right. See you again in our next video. Bye, guys.